Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is 12:26 p.m. Right now, today we are gonna go ahead and clean my room and get my life back on track, back together, because I fell off the wagon for a bit. Emotionally struggling I guess you could say. And when I struggle like that, I just let everything go, especially myself and my space. Just let my room go. I just let everything go. So, I get back on track, clean up everything, make everything look nice and pretty. So yeah, I did decorate for Halloween. I did film most of it, not all of it, most of it. I did film most of it, but I will show you guys what it looks like right now. There we go. This is what this looks like. A little haunted house my mom and I made. My shelving has some skulls on it, and a wreath my mom and I made a few years ago. Excuse my ring light. And then a blinged out skeleton that I did a few years back with my mom, and made that mirror as well that's behind the skeleton. My mom made that bottle right there. Oh, she didn't make the bottle, but she decorated it and everything. But yeah, that's what my Halloween stuff is looking like. I do want to add some lights right here. And I do have some LED strip lights to add on this part of the Halloween stuff. But yeah, that's what she's looking like. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you an overview of my room, please. Excuse it, it's a hot mess. So, it's the main area we always gotta clean. One of the main areas we always have to clean in my room. It's right by my dresser. Oh, I need to do a haul for you guys because I did do some shopping. And my vanity needs to be cleaned as always. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, so tell me why when I was doing my Halloween look last night, I'll put a picture up, my foundation splattered all the way over there, and I don't know how to get it off. So yeah, there's that. I need to somehow wash this off or clean it somehow. I don't know how I could clean it. Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the cleaning. Come on, Cookie. Cookie, come, let's go. Sorry you can't see me. I'm sorry about the dishwasher. Making my dog a little pop cup at home. Got some doggy whipped cream in the bacon flavor. Got this from PetSmart. All I do is put it in a little tiny cup like this. Give them the same amount that Starbucks probably gives them. Or gives the dogs. I don't go to Starbucks all the time. And then I like to add 2 little cookies to his little pop cup. And this is his pop cup. Yes, my doggy is spoiled. Hold on, guys. Here we go. Look, Harper. He's a happy. Come on, let's go to the living room. He's all excited. Look at that. He's a dog. Sit. Here you go. He loves it. Oh, look at him. Look at him go. Okay, so I did do some online shopping at Ulta. Yeah, I needed some stuff like skincare stuff and just some more makeup stuff for Halloween and everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this baby up because I've been waiting to open it up with you guys because I like watching unboxing sometimes. It depends what it is, really. It's like makeup and everything. I like watching that. Okay, so you don't need to see that part. Okay, dokie. So we're gonna open up this box, and I'm just randomly picking out stuff. I don't need that. So I'm running out of cotton rounds, so I got 3 bags of cotton rounds just because that lasts a lot longer than just getting 1. I normally get like a 3-pack from Walmart, but since I was shopping at Ulta, I decided to get some of those. And I got some Neutrogena makeup wipes. Can never have too many of these. I know people are gonna say you should use something else because turtles, I know. But sometimes makeup wipes are a go thing, especially with Halloween looks. I got 2 things of lash glue. Can never have too many, especially sometimes when you use it a lot for glitter and jewels and everything else and lashes. I got a black lipstick. This is by NYX, by their XXL lingerie collection. I love this line, and I love lip line that they have because it lasts forever. Definitely gonna use this a lot for Halloween stuff. Probably sometimes when I go out, I don't know. Depends on my mood. I got some makeup melting cleansing balm. This is what this looks like. This is by the style Beekman. I believe it's buttermilk. Makeup melting cleansing balm. And it melts away all traces of dirt, makeup, and sunscreen from skin. So I'm excited to try this one. This one's on a little bit of a pricier side. It was like, what, $29 I want to say. Got some free samples. Got a nude lip liner for, you know, mapping stuff out on my face when I do like special effects makeup and stuff like that. So I didn't know that BoxyCharm was going to send me more like face wash and stuff, so I ordered some more face wash before I knew about that. So I got the Derma Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I definitely need this kind of face wash when it gets deep into your pores, especially with all the makeup that I use and everything like that. This is some makeup brush cleansing gel by Real Techniques. It looks like that. Can never have too many, you know, makeup brush cleansing stuff because, you know, especially when you do makeup a lot for social media and everything. And I definitely got some more toner because I'm almost out by the one that BoxyCharm gave me a month or 2 ago. And I got this one, the Witch Hazel one, because I love this one. I've tried it before, and this is one of my all-time favorites because it definitely helps with my acne and everything like that. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Ulta. I know I sound a little blah right now because I feel blah, just because it's time of the month. It just started today, so it's like, ugh. If you're a girl, you understand. You understand. But yeah, that is the haul, and now we're gonna get back into cleaning. I just wanted to take a little break after cleaning a bit in my room. I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far. I don't show every single step so you guys don't get bored. But yeah. So I am all done, finally. So here's the vanity, all nice and clean. Took a little while, but it's clean now. I am gonna do brushes, but I'll do it a little later. We need a little break. My cold coffee. My view of the bed. If you guys wanna know where I got my hot Cheeto blankie from, I got this from Spencer's. Yeah. Got my hot Cheeto blanket from Spencer's, and I got the sheets and whatnot from this sheet right here. Anyways, this one from Belk, and the pillowcase is the same as this one. It's from Belk as well. Leave it down below. Corner. But yeah, guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoy these kind of vlogs, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm definitely taking a needed break. I'm probably gonna run to an errand with my mom when she gets home. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna eat something because I'm starving. I didn't eat anything yet, but because I'm the kind, if I eat a lot before I clean, I am not gonna want to clean at all. Let me know in the comments below if you're the same way or you gotta eat before you clean. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to become part of my family. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!